So here is, if you updated Worldcoin app, there is a new feature called Earn Up to 10% with Worldcoin VAULT. Transfer your funds into Vault and get daily payouts. So I don't know what that is. So you can just tap earning, save in Worldcoin and earn up to 10% on your Worldcoin with Vault. Withdrawals from the Vault have a 3-day security period. Receive daily payouts from your investments. So then you can just take a look at it. So yep, that's basically the idea here. Then yeah, you can just see that it's at capacity. So maybe yeah, you can just go and then just transfer it to the vault. So yeah, maybe later. So I don't know how then to enable it. So yep, that's basically the idea.